To edit a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, a comprehensive solution offering full convert and edit compatibility, advanced protection, and powerful e-signature features. Begin by opening the program. Once opened, the uploaded file will be visible. Editing can be initiated by selecting the Edit PDF option on the right sidebar. From there, any section of the document can be modified as needed. The heading, for example, can be altered, and the font, text styling, and spacing can be adjusted using the various tools available on the right sidebar. Additionally, objects can be added to the PDF file. When all desired changes have been made, the editing process can be completed by clicking Close. This straightforward process allows for efficient editing of PDF files in Adobe Acrobat, providing a helpful tool for making necessary modifications.